We were catching Pacific cod and the Lingcods. This is the Lingcod. I want to prepare a really nice meal. They're not really big, but they're really tasty. Young meat is very sweet. So what am I gonna do out of these 3 Lingcods? I'm gonna grill them on the grill. I'm gonna clean them up, gut them, cut the heads off, and we're gonna make a soup and grilled skewered kebabs out of Lingcod. Let's go. This is gonna be a really nice meal. Lingcod cut up in portions, sizes for the skewers. I'm gonna grill it on a charcoal grill, heads, tails, and the fins. We're gonna make really good stock for Ukrainian style soup called Ukha. So let's go. Good afternoon, everyone. Sergey Babik here. I'm excited. We came back from that really good trip, deep sea fishing trip. We got a lot of different fish. Me and my kids, we spent overnight, stayed in the tent. We got a lot of different type of fish, halibut, Pacific cod, Lingcod, a lot of different types of rockfish. And today we're gonna make special meal. Lingcod, I did cut into steak portions earlier. We're gonna be making Lingcod Kebob, and out of all of these heads we're gonna make fish soup. We used to make in Ukraine, it calls Ukha. So let's get started. Let's make this beautiful meal. Let's go. For the Lingcod, I'm using cherry wood because it's gonna be very flavorful and it's not poisonous. It's not gonna hurt you. So you can use for shish kebab fruit woods, hardwoods. It's not gonna hurt you. Stay away from pine, cedar. We're gonna be making that really good tasty soup on this wood stove. I already filled my aluminum wok with the water. I'm gonna put it on and bring it to the boil. I filled this much water and I'm gonna get this water to a boil, and I'm gonna throw in all of the heads, fins, carcasses, and cook it for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna scoop everything out and leave the broth or stock in, and then I'm gonna be preparing that really good soup. I'm gonna start with kebabs. I'm gonna put the spices on and marinate for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna start with salt. About that much salt. And black pepper. But same amount. And I'm gonna mix this really good. So So this is our main ingredients: salt and black pepper. How about it right there? And I'm gonna flip it over to the other side. Alright, so I'm gonna put this fish into this nice pot, stainless steel pot, and I'm gonna add 4 ounces of olive oil. And some tomato paste. And I'm gonna mix this really well. I'm gonna cut these lemons in half and squeeze the juice out of them into our pot over the fish. And this is lemon number 3. All right. After squeezing all of that lemon juice, I'm gonna remix this one more time really good. Make sure all of that goody, spicy sauce is covered all over our fish. It's all done. We're gonna let it marinate for 30 minutes. So we got our water to a boil. Now I'm gonna be adding this goody, all of the fish heads, fins. All right, we're gonna start with this, a huge head, halibut right there. Then we're gonna add this red head right there, Lingcod. All right, we're gonna add some of these fins and let it boil. So after it's gonna get to a boil, we're gonna boil this goodies for about 30 minutes. Then we're gonna scoop everything out. All right, now I'm gonna drop this onion and let it boil with the soup. All of this foam gotta go, so I'm gonna scoop everything out. I'm gonna try to remove this foam as much as I can. I'm gonna spread this ashes out, and it's still really hot, so we have to cool it down a little bit, otherwise it's gonna burn our fish. I'm gonna move all of those charcoals that's still burning on the other side. And yeah, this is very hot. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Now I'm gonna put those kebabs on the skewers, and in about 10 minutes it should be ready to go on. For our kebabs, we're gonna need onion and we're gonna need tomato. So with the onion, we're gonna need to cut in rounds. tomatoes, we're gonna cut them in the rounds like that. The juice is gonna be coming out of tomatoes and onions, and it's gonna be very flavorful and tasty. Okay, that's ready for our kebabs. Look at this beautiful fish. We're gonna start to put this fish on the skewers. All right, so I'm gonna put some of this fish on the skewers. Skin is really hard, so I'll be using my knife to poke the holes through it. All right, some onions, tomatoes. Yeah, look at this kebab. They're ready to go on the grill. All right, so it's about right. We're gonna start putting the kebabs on and let them grill. Whew. Look at this beauty. Right there. I'm gonna cut the rest of the vegetables for the fish soup. We're gonna use 3 beautiful potatoes. I'm gonna cut them in half. And like that. We're gonna cut some celery. And only 1 carrot. Bigger pieces are good. 30 minutes is up. Now we're gonna start taking out the heads. All right. Woo! Look at this stuff. Oh yes. I'm gonna salt this to my liking, and I'm gonna add some potatoes, some carrots, and some celery. Add some of this salt. Potato, celery, and carrot ready to go in. I'm gonna drop all of this goodie. So I'm gonna add this 1 Bouillon Cube. All right. And add some bay leaves, just a few. About right there. Thing of beauty. Next we're gonna be adding parsley, dill, bell pepper, and tomato. This is a little bit bigger than cherry tomatoes. This is homegrown, so I'm just gonna cut them in 6 pieces like that. And just only half of the bell pepper. How about that much right there? Parsley. About this much of a dill should be plenty good enough. Portions, because we're gonna put this lingcod and the salmon into the stock after we're gonna remove the fish heads and the fins. It's been 15 minutes, our potatoes are ready. Now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. And we got parsley, dill, bell pepper, and tomatoes. And let this fall in love. This is gonna be really good soup. Oh boy. We're gonna let this boil for another 10 minutes. We just add some greens and fish is next. So I'm gonna add the fish that we cut up in little pieces, salmon and lingcod. And we're gonna let this fall in love about 10 minutes, and we're gonna add some garlic and black pepper. Then we're gonna turn the heat off and let it sit for about 10 minutes, and we should be good. It's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna add 1 clove of garlic and add some black pepper, and I'm gonna turn everything off and let it sit anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, and it's gonna be ready to serve. Minced garlic. And I'm gonna add some black pepper. Look at this beautiful soup. It's silky, it's thick. The broth, the stock is from the fish. It's been boiling for a while, and it's almost ready to serve. It's beautiful, and it's very tasty. Alright guys, so this kebab is all done. It's supposed to be anywhere from 130 to 140 internal temperature. It's 140. Now I'm gonna start taking it off and place this kebab on my platter and start serving. I'm so excited, I'm thrilled. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into kebabs. Last time, it's been a while since I made this kebab. So I'm gonna start taking them off right now. Look at this delicious kebabs. Oh yes. What a beauty. Oh boy. Look how beautiful this soup is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna start with some salad. I'm gonna serve, of course, myself. Add some of this green, some of the salad. All right, I'm gonna grab this big boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's all done, you can tell. It's all done, right there. And I'm gonna grab one of this guy from this end, place it right there, and some of these vegetables. Oh yes. While our soup's still pretty hot, I'm gonna try my kebabs first. Oh, look at this kebabs. Oh man, flaky. Oh boy. A little bit of a taste of a lemon juice. That tomato paste, spices, it's so good. It's very good combination. Very tasty. And some of that beautiful tomato. That's so juicy. Boy, oh boy. That's what you call cook for very nice meal. That Lingcod is just so good. And now we're gonna go to fish soup. Ukrainian style soup named Ukha. All right, look at that. Look at that fish soup. Oh boy. Oh man, it's so good. Look at this soup. Chunks of meat, some salmon there, veggies. It's beautiful. It's so good. If you're a fish lover, you're gonna love this soup. And that's what you call a really tasty and good meal. So guys, this is it. Now I'm gonna finish it up serving my family. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and leave the comments below. See you guys next time.